Today we are touring a small renovated village house in the municipality of Vila Velha de Ródão, district Castelo Branco, central Portugal. We will also discover the wonderful surroundings of tranquility provided by the mountains, fields, and the proximity of the Dam of Paris. The house was almost completely renovated, although some of the original features and materials from the 1940s and 1950s were maintained. The renovation sought, in a simple way, to provide a welcoming atmosphere to the property, without losing the traditional characteristics typical of this small and peaceful village. Here, next to the entrance, on both sides of the corridor, we have 2 bedrooms. Contrasting with the baseboards, ceramic floors and wooden ceilings, the exposed shale stone walls contribute to the simple but welcoming atmosphere characteristic of the entire house. The decorative objects and small details, such as the renovated old iron beds, as well as the option to keep the old windows, with iron shutters, complete the genuine look of the renovation carried out. Continuing along the corridor, we reach the remaining rooms that make up the ground floor. A cozy living room with open views over the landscape. The shared WC and the basement access staircase. Turning right, we have the kitchen, with a big fireplace for the coldest days. And in continuity, there is the dining room. Finally, completing the ground floor, we have this interior division, where the old wooden floor was maintained. Suitable for a reading room, or for an additional bedroom. Let's now make a brief visit to the basement. A useful space for storage, or even for expansion of the housing area. In addition to this small storage space, we have an additional division. and another space for storage. And now that we have completed the house tour, we'll get to take a look at the village, and, on the way, drive to the fantastic natural surroundings of the Parais Dam. Come with us.